So what is going on, everybody in Mass Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the OnePlus N10 5G. Stay tuned. So everybody in my squad, check it out. We got a new device here on the channel. It is the OnePlus N10 5G. Now this is my very first OnePlus device, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I was looking, recently looking for something to bring to the channel because I got this device here, the Blue G91 Pro, and it's pretty much a flagship phone from Blue. By the time you guys see this unboxing video, the phone will be out, which is today, the 22nd. Phone will be out on the 25th officially. So yeah, I wanted to compare this phone directly to it just to see which one would do better, but odds are it's going to be this one here. So going over some specs here for this device, you're going to have a 6.49 inch 1080p display, 64 megapixel camera on the rear. It is a quad camera setup, 6 gigs of RAM, let me see, Snapdragon 695G, so it's basically going to have 5G connectivity. And it's going to have that 90 hertz display, a pretty capable processor. As far as battery size, it's looking at like 4,300 milliamp hours, which isn't, the biggest battery, but, should be able to get the job done. So yes, this phone is 5G capable, and that's a positive there. And I believe it works on all three major carriers here in the United States. And as of right now, it says that it has Android 10, but I'm pretty sure it's upgradable to Android 11. If not, we will find out. But yes, it has dual speakers, Bluetooth 5.1, 16 megapixel selfie camera, and yeah, USB Type C 2.0, USB on the go, fast charging, 30 watts. I believe it's warp charging here, and its color is going to be Midnight Ice. As far as Geekbench numbers, this is what the numbers look like. Open this thing up. All right, so nice and form-fitting box. This is right here is going to be your books and quick start guide, things of that nature. I'm not sure if you get any OnePlus stickers. Alright, let's go ahead and close this back up. There's the SIM tray tool for you guys to put your SIM card aside of the device. And here is the phone itself. Now the phone itself has a nice weighted feel to it. I do kind of like that about it. One thing for sure is that I got to get a case. I don't have a case just yet, so we're just pretty much going to rock this thing naked, which is dangerous, but I'm going to take that chance for you guys not to. All right, so there's the phone itself, and then here is the warp charge. Now I'm going to actually go ahead and put this thing to the test because this is my first time actually using a OnePlus charging or a OnePlus charging brick. Apparently these things can charge the phone to 100% in less than an hour, depending on how low it is. So I'm curious to see how that actually does work. So I'm going to leave these out the box, and why not use the red cable that comes with it, which is a Type C to Type A cable, and I believe it's tangle free too, so excited about that. Let's go ahead and put this other stuff back up in there. So here's the phone itself, taking off that plastic. A nice glimmer to it, nice shine, looks really, really good. So here it is, got a little fingerprint smudge on the back there, but you can see quad camera setup on the back, fingerprint scanner, USB Type C is on the bottom along with a headphone jack and a loudspeaker. I believe there's another speaker on the top there. It is dual speakers. On the right side of the device, you got your power button, of course, and on the other side, you got your volume up and down keys as well as your SIM tray slot. Now there's a little bit of a camera bump back there. You guys can see it's a little bit of a camera bump, but whatever. We'll go ahead and work with that. Really no choice. The screen is said to be 90 hertz, which I'm pretty excited about. Go ahead and get this thing some juice, power it on. Now this is an IPS display, it's not AMOLED or anything like that. So as far as blacks and colors, I'm curious to see how it actually is going to look on the phone. It is 6.49 inches. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and install some information on the device and see you guys in a few moments. So Mass Squad, here we are with the OnePlus N10 5G, and got this thing super dirty already, but I really love the way this thing feels in the hand. But yeah, I want to talk about some key things already here because I got some information on the device, and this should show you 49 of 172 applications have been installed so far. But One thing for sure about this phone is that the camera is surprisingly pretty good for a 600 series processor. I'm actually really impressed with it. I'm probably gonna take it outside in a few minutes, take some pictures of it, because like I was saying, it can look one way in the viewfinder and a whole another way when the actual image has been taken. You could NFC, of course, like I said earlier, Type-C for the bottom charger and headphone jack, which is, cool. I mostly use Bluetooth nowadays anyway. It's kind of funny because just a few years back, I was complaining about phones not having it, and now it's like, whatever if it does. And then the camera hub is probably one of the things I don't like about it the most, because that thing is just protruding out, because I'm about to be rocking it with no case over the next few days, and the last thing I want to do is scratch the lens. But this 90 hertz display is it's actually pretty good. Only thing I wish is that it was a little bit more brighter, because it seems like it's not as bright as some of my other phones. It is an IPS display, and I know it's not AMOLED, and I'm wondering if it's going to get Android 11 as well. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and check and see what version is on here. Yep, we're still on Android 10, so hopefully I get it updated to Android 11. We'll see. Oh, by the way, here goes some of the specs here. So I'll show you some of the specs, which is pretty cool. All right. Well, anyway, yeah, so far the phone has been doing its job. Like I said, I'm definitely installing these applications here. One thing I want to see is how good the 5G connectivity is, because it works on all three major carriers in the United States. So that's Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, because they merge with Sprint. So yeah, I'm curious to see how that 690 actually performs overall, because you are pushing 90 hertz here. I want to see if the phone actually feels a little bit more faster than what the 690 is actually capable of, because sometimes a super smooth display can make you think your phone is faster than what it actually is. So I'm curious to see how that works here. But right now the phone is on 32%, so we're definitely going to get some of that warp charging action going to see how fast the phone can actually charge up to 100%. I am really curious about it. But anyway, Mass Squad, let me know in the comment section below what type of content do you want to see with the OnePlus N10 5G. I'm definitely going to be putting it up against the Blue G91 Pro. But other than that, what would you like to see? And if you are new to the channel here, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any coverage when it comes to mid-range or upper mid-range devices like the OnePlus N10 5G. And Mass Squad, like this video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching upper mid-range devices like the OnePlus N10 5G. Or is it more so a regular budget device? I don't know. And last but not least, share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.